another episode of LPBMX. Today I'm doing a bike check because I can't ride because it's wet out and shit. I've got the Federal 4-piece drop bars, Assault Plus stem, We The People Patron forks down at the lower front end, Assault Plus rim, this Assault Plus front knob, Stranger plastic pegs, a We The People Crisis frame. Then we have a premium seat laced, attached to a premium seat post, Assault Plus cranks, an Odyssey sprocket, don't know what one, just a random one, 3-piece cranks, Stranger chain, Stranger pegs, a Assault Plus recoaster laced to Assault Plus rim, a Fixie tyres, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So, see you again in the next one.